Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anna. If you're new here, I do makeup reviews, makeup tutorials, skincare, anything beauty related. I got you covered. Today's video is a Jones Road Beauty video. There is something exciting launching today, and I'm going to share it with you. So, there's a new kit. It's the Bobbi 2.0 kit. So, if you don't know what that is, it's basically a collection curated by Bobbi using her favorite products. And we have a new product in here that's a teaser for a big launch in a couple of months. So we're going to talk about it. All right. So the kit does retail for $82. And what are you getting? You get a choice of, it's a new product, bronzer. So you can choose between shade Terracota or medium tan. Medium tan is the shade that I use. And yes, it works on my skin tone, and I have a little funny story about that. You're also going to get her favorite eyeshadow in Smokey Grey. She loves this color because it creates a lot of depth for her, and it's just a very, very universal color to use on the lid or the crease. It's definitely one of my go-tos. Also, lip and cheek in English Rose. That's going to give you a nice, beautiful pop to your cheeks. And last but not least, the best pencil in brown. So now that I've covered everything, I will do swatches for you. I'm going to be applying the kit to myself. I'm also going to be using the mascara. It's not included in the kit. Brushes for the shadow, again not included in the kit, and powder, oh not the powder brush, this is the blush brush, again not included in the kit. The only thing that's in the kit, just to kind of recap, is a bronzer, eyeshadow, lip and cheek, best pencil in brown, and actually I'm wrong, there was one more product, cool gloss in Nude Beige. This is Bobbi's favorite. Alright. Let's start off with swatches, right, because that's what we want to see. So when I initially got these, oh, and let me just quickly make a disclaimer. I do work for the brand, so I get this in gratis. This is not a sponsored video. This is me doing it on my own. But I'd like to share these products with you guys, give you ideas, pointers. I've gained a lot of amazing followers through my Jones Road Beauty reviews, so I definitely want to just, you know, keep giving you guys the information. Alright, so these are the two bronzer shades. I'm going to swatch them. When I got these two, I was using the Terracota one, the darker one. And Bobbi was like, why are you using that one? That one's too dark for you. And I'm like, because, you know, I'm looking for like a bronzy look. And she goes, no, it works. So I am here to tell you that if you are pencils 1 to about 16, medium tan will work on you. I was personally schooled by Bobbi when we were going over these products, so it works. She proved me wrong. So this is Terracota medium tan. Medium tan is what I use. Now, if you want a little bit of a bronzier look, absolutely you can go for Terracota. It's makeup. If you want to have fun with it, do what you want, okay? That's what I'm gonna say. Those are the bronzers. Smokey Grey. This is an amazing crease color. I use it a lot on clients. It's great on the lid as well to create depth. That's Smokey Grey. English Rose is one of those really pretty pinky blush colors that's always going to wake up the face. So, English Rose, and last, actually no, not last but not least, where is my pencil? Best pencil in brown. This is my favorite one. It's great if you're in a pinch and you want to fill in your eyebrows, line your eyes. It's my favorite eyeliner. And Nude Beige gloss. So these are all the colors. So again, dark brown, Terracota, medium tan, Smokey Grey, English Rose, and Nude Beige. Now you see Smokey Grey has kind of like a purplish undertone to it. It's really, really pretty. All right, so I have on just a little bit of concealer. I have my eyebrows done. Let's play with product. I'm going to take my bronzer. Now the cool thing about this bronzer is that it gives a really beautiful finish to the face. It's a matte bronzer, but it's not flat, and I'm going to show you that. And if you follow me, you know that I hate anything that's matte. This has this way of just warming up the skin nicely and almost making it look like perfect. So I'm going to take my blush brush. I'm going to tap off the excess. And I'm just going to go first around the perimeter of the face. I'm going to take it to my cheeks. Blend. Now, one thing that I learned from Bobbi is that when she is using bronzer, she uses it to warm up the face, but then she kind of takes the rest and she'll just kind of blend it out on the face. Now, this is a very, very finely milled, like pressed, super pressed bronzer. So it's not going to sit heavy on the skin. It's not going to accentuate like texture or anything. See how that just warmed up my face nicely and almost gave this like perfecting effect? So that's one of my tips I'm going to share with you. So yeah, she just used it to kind of warm up the face and then just blends everything away so that nothing is patchy or anything like that. I do recommend the blush brush if you don't have it. It works really good with the bronzer. So that is medium tan. Now, like I said, if you are my skin tone and you want to go a little bit deeper and you prefer, you know, Anna, I want to look more bronze, you could do the terracotta. That's going to work too. Use it lightly and just, but it's absolutely beautiful on deeper skin tones as well. Like I said, if you're not sure where to go or what to choose, if you are pencils 1 to 16, go with medium. Or you know what, just to be fair, 1 to 15, because I'm 15. Go with medium tan if you want a little bit of a warmer, bronzier look. 16 to 25, go with terracotta. So look at that. Got some life back in my face. All right, now I use a powder bronzer. Gonna go in with Lip and Cheek in English Rose. This is a cream product. Yes, you can use it on top. It's gonna pop my cheek. I'm just gonna take some with my finger. I'm gonna smile and I'm just gonna tap that onto my cheek. It's always nice to throw a little bit of pink back in the face because it's just wakes up the face. It's a little more youthful. That's what I always say. So see, pretty. You can take this and use it as your lip. It feels like a lip balm. It's very, very hydrating, but it's not heavy. It's not sticky. It definitely feels like a lip balm. I hate when I can feel anything on my lips, and this is pretty, right? Okay, next, Smokey Grey. Now I'm going to take the eye blending brush and I'm just going to pick up a little bit, tap off the excess. I'm going to use my little mirror now and I'm going to just tap along my crease and then blend back and forth. I just want soft definition. The eye blending brush is going to give you that really pretty wash of color, nothing too heavy. See how pretty? I'm gonna go on this side, same thing. I'm just kind of tapping, blending. If you are like kind of new to eyeshadow or you're not super confident in it, I definitely recommend this brush because it's just gonna pick up a little bit at a time and it really just does all the blending for you. Like I'm taking this and I'm just going back and forth. That's what I always tell the customers when I'm like working with them. Let the brush do the work for you. So again, the brushes are not included in the kit. Just want to specify that. All right, eyeliner. This eyeliner is my favorite. In a pinch, I could use it in my brows if I needed to. If you see Bobbi's demos, when she talks about the brown liner, she'll like go in and do her like her roots with it real quick. I've used this as liner. It's really, really pretty. So I'm sorry, I used it as lip liner. Of course it's eyeliner, duh. But I have used it as lip liner and it's really pretty. I'm going to take it and I'm just going to do a soft line on my Lashes, I take the brush and I like to hold it on its side and just walk it along my lash line, just to give me a little bit of definition on my eyes. And if it's not perfect, it's okay. You can smudge it. It's still going to be a beautiful look. And then I always like to hit this inner corner right here. And then I will go over one more time. Liner is one of those things that you can't always get it perfect in one stroke. With a liquid liner, that's totally different. But look how different my eyes look now. Like this just looks, my eyes look a little bit bigger. They just look a little more put together. I'm gonna line this eye. See how pretty? And the Cool Gloss in Nude Beige. Now, Cool Gloss does have a peppermint oil scent to it. There's peppermint oil in it, so I personally love that smell. A little bit goes a long way. I have to say, this is one of the most pigmented Cool Glosses. So what I do is I just take a teeny bit and I'm going to press it on my lips. Just like that. Kind of mixing it with that English Rose that I put on earlier. And it's like the prettiest nude lip combo for me. Amazing. Now, a couple things you can do with Cool Gloss is you could actually take it. I have some on the back of my hand still. This is one of my favorite things to do because look how beautiful that color is. If you wanted to just pop it on your cheek, it gives this gorgeous, like, glowy kind of blush effect. And it ties in with the lip color now. So you're just kind of mixing products. What I love about this is that you have the option to use these products so many different ways. Cool Gloss, lips, cheeks, English Rose, lips, cheeks. You can do a little bit in the crease. Just make sure you line your eyes and put some mascara on. The eyeliner, you could do as eyeliner. You can do as brows if your hair is brown like mine. You can, just for fun, let's go as a lip liner. Wait, I need my mirror. Like you could just, like that, and then blend. It's really, really beautiful. Again, it's makeup. Have fun with it. Play with it. Yeah, I can't say enough good things. The one thing I do recommend, though, if you don't have it, is do the sharpener. It'll save you with the eyeliner pencil. And if you use the face pencils, just saying. So, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. Definitely leave me a like. Subscribe if you haven't. Leave a comment down below. I want to hear from you guys. And yeah, if I missed anything, ask me anything down below and I'll answer you, okay? All right, guys. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next one.